Let's learn how to draw a cute strawberry. First, draw the strawberry shape. Add the leaf. Draw an eye. Add a winky eye. Add mouth. Draw the outline. Add colors. Want to see more videos like this? Make sure to subscribe and stay updated with all the latest content. If you're enjoying this video, don't forget to give it a big like. Add small, teardrop-shaped seeds. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Kids Learning Adventures for more learning videos.